Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our page to design the business card. To do it we have to click on here. Then we have to select inches from here. Then we have to click on the box, then right here 3.5. Then you have to click on this box and type here 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After that you have to press Ctrl+R button from keyboard. Then you have to take some rulers from here. So I am taking some rulers from here. After that you have to select a pen tool. Then you have to click on here, 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 and here, and draw a curve. After that we have to select the move tool. Then we have to increase the size of this shape. Then we have to click on the tick mark. After that we have to click on the view, then click on the clear guides. Then we have to select the pen tool again. Then we have to click on here, here, and draw a curve. Then we have to press and hold the Alt key and click on here. Then we have to click on here, 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 and here. After that you have to double click on here and select the blue color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to drag and drop this shape under this shape. Then you have to select the move tool. For that you have to select this layer, right click on this layer, click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then select the liner gradient, then click on this box, then select this, click on here and select the brown color from here, then click on the OK, then click on the OK. Now you have to select this, right click on the hair, click on here, then click on the gradient overlay and click on the drop shadow. Then you have to decrease the distance. Then you have to decrease the size. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay, double click on here, and you have to drag and drop this in here and drag and drop this in here, and click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. So now you have to select the shape tool, right click on here, then select a rectangle, then you have to draw a shape in here. Then you have to select this shape and press and hold the Alt key and take 2 copy from this shape. Then you have to double click on here, then click on here and select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, click on here, and click on here and select the brown color from here, click on the OK. Now you have to select these shapes, go to the layer, then drag and drop these layers under these 2 layers. Now you have to Select the shape tool again and draw a shape in here. After that, you have to click on here, and select the white color from here. Now click on the OK. Then you have to select this and after that, you have to design the other things of this business card. So look at this attentively how I am doing it. After open all icons, you have to set these icons in the business card. After set the icons, you have to select the shape tool again and draw a shape in here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select the white color from here. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to hide this shape. Then you have to select this. Right click on here. Click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay. And select the red color from here. Then click on the OK. Then click on the OK. Now you have to drag and drop this shape. Then you have to click on here. After that, you have to select this shape. Right click on here, blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on the OK. Then select this shape, right click on this shape, click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this shape and press and hold the Alt key and take 2 copies from this shape. Then after that, you have to select the other 2 shapes. Select these shapes from the layer panel, then drag and drop this shape in here. Then you have to select this shape, right click on here, then click on the desktop. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this shape, click on here, right click on this shape, then select the desktop. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this, right click on here, right click on here, then click on the desktop again. Then click on the tick mark. After that, we have to select the text tool. Then we have to click on here and write your number in here. Then select all text, then click on here, then select the white color from here, then click on the OK, then select the move tool. After that, you have to press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this layer. Then you have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your email in here. Then select this text and press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this layer. Now you have to select the text tool again, click on here and write your location in here. Then select the move tool. After that, you have to set this shape in your business card. After set this shape, you have to select the text tool, then click on here and write your name in here. Then select this text, click on here, then select the red color from here, then click on the OK, and increase the size of this text. After that, you have to set your logo in your business card. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, you have to click on here. Then select the text tool, then click on here and enter your company name in here. Then select all text, click on here and select the white color from here. Then increase the size of this text. Then click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now you have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select all layer. Then click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project. Then select all layer from here. Then drag and drop this layer in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to press the Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.